Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into part 2 of our advanced KineMaster tutorial. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, please do so before starting this advanced section. In part 1, we covered all the basic editing techniques in KineMaster. Check the description for the link to the complete KineMaster tutorial or beginners. Today, we're diving into part 2 of our advanced KineMaster tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through keyframe animations, chroma key, blending modes and masking, slow motion and speed ramping, the picture-in-picture-in-pic effect, and how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails right in KineMaster. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. First, import your clip where you want your text animation and then add the text that you want to animate. Tap on the layer option. Then select text type in the word or phrase you want to animate. In this case, I'll type Keyframe Animation. Once the text is added, you can customize it by changing the font, size, and color. Let's make it bold and eye-catching, so it stands out in the video. Now that we have our text, let's animate it using keyframes. To start animating, select the text layer and tap on the keyframe icon. Now place the playhead at the beginning of the timeline and position your text where you want it to start. In my case, I want the text to start off screen on the left side. Move the playhead a few seconds forward to where you want the animation to end. Now drag the text across to the right side of the screen, and this will create a smooth motion from left to right, or you can add more keyframe to animate the text how you want. You can even rotate the text with the help of keyframe. Follow the steps like in the video if you want to rotate your text. You can even create zoom in and zoom out effects on your video using keyframes. First import a background for your clip, then import your clip into the timeline as a layer. Now select the clip layer and activate the Keyframe Animation tool and set the starting keyframe by scaling the clip accordingly. Follow the steps outlined in the video to achieve this effect. The process for creating a zoom out effect is similar. The Chroma Key green screen effect allows you to replace a specific color, usually green or blue, in your video with any background of your choice. This is widely used in filmmaking and content creation. Open your project in KineMaster. Add two layers. First layer, this is the background video or image that will replace the green screen. Second layer, this is the footage shot with the green screen or solid background that you want to overlay on the background. Now select the green screen video layer by tapping on it in the timeline. In the Layer Options menu, scroll down and tap on the Chroma Key option. Turn on the Chroma Key by toggling the Enable button to the On position. Once enabled, the background color green or blue in your video will become transparent. Now, you'll want to fine-tune the settings to ensure a clean effect. You may need to adjust the size and position of your subject to fit your new background. You can even use Transform tool to scale and move your subject around the frame. Once you have fine-tuned the settings, play back the video to ensure the green screen effect looks smooth. We will do one more tutorial using Chroma Key and Keyframe Animation in the upcoming video. Let's start by creating a smooth walking animation using keyframes and the green screen effect in KineMaster. First, import your background clip into the timeline. Next, add your green screen clip as a layer. Select the layer clip, navigate to the Chroma Key option, enable it, and adjust the settings if necessary. Once the green screen is applied, resize the layer clip to fit your scene. Now, to make the subject appear as if they're walking, we'll use keyframes. Select the layer clip, activate keyframing, and gradually move the subject's position with each keyframe you add, simulating their walk until they reach their destination. This is how you create an animated walking sequence using KineMaster. In the next section, we'll explore how to use blending modes and masking techniques in KineMaster. Blending modes determine how a layer interacts with the layers beneath it. You can use this to create unique visual effects, such as overlaying text, blending images, or combining different footage. For example, let's add light leaks to our video scenario. Import the main footage by opening your project and importing the main video clip where you want to add the light leak effect. Tap the layer button and choose media. Import the light leak video and position it on top of your main footage in the timeline. Select the light leak video layer, then tap the blending opacity option. Adjust the opacity to blend it more smoothly with the footage. Choose screen or overlay from the blending options. This will remove the black background and leave just the light leak effect over your video. Play around with the different blending modes such as soft light or hard light to see which one works best for your specific clip. The light leak will now seamlessly blend over your footage, adding a dynamic cinematic flair. Masking allows you to hide or reveal specific parts of a layer, giving you more precise control over how elements appear in your video. This is useful for things like split screen effects, highlighting objects, or isolating areas of your footage. For example, let's create text reveal effect using masking. Let's add text as a layer. Tap on layer, then select text to insert a text layer into the timeline. Type the desired text, in this case I'll type mask. Now choose an appropriate font and adjust the text size as needed. Position the text in the exact spot where you want it to be revealed later. Now let's create a green screen layer. Tap on layer and select handwriting. Choose the square box to create a green screen overlay for your text. Adjust the opacity so the text is hidden behind it. We will adjust the opacity later when we add keyframes. Activate Keyframe Animation by selecting the handwriting layer, then add a keyframe. Move the green screen layer in the same manner demonstrated in the video to reveal the text. Now, replace the main footage background with a solid black color, then change it to green so it can be used for the green screen effect in the next step. Export the video, then start a new project. Import your main footage, tap on Layer, select Media, and upload the previously exported video. Fit the size of the overlay video with the main background footage. Now, go to Chroma Key, enable it, and fine-tune the settings as needed for a smooth reveal text effect. By following these steps, you'll create a smooth text reveal effect using KineMaster's masking tool. Slow motion and speed ramping are powerful editing techniques that allow you to control the pacing of your video, either for dramatic effect, emphasis, or creative storytelling. In KineMaster, these effects can be achieved easily with just a few steps. Start by importing the video clip that you want to edit. Place it on the timeline. Tap on the video clip you wish to slow down. This will open the editing options. Tap on the speed icon in the menu that appears. This feature allows you to adjust the speed of your clip. Move the speed slider to the left below 1x to slow down the clip. For example, setting it to 0.5x will reduce the speed to half, resulting in slow motion footage. You can adjust between 0.1x extremely slow and 0.9x slightly slow, depending on the effect you want. After adjusting, preview the clip to see how the slow motion looks. If needed, you can tweak the speed further to match the intended effect. Here's how you can apply speed ramping. If you want to speed ramp only a section of the video, you'll need to split the clip. To do this, position the playhead at the point where you want the speed to change and tap the split option to divide the clip. Select the section of the video that you want to change the speed for. For example, you can make the middle section of your clip faster or slower than the rest. Tap the speed icon and adjust it accordingly. You can set it to 0.5x for slow motion or increase it to 2x for faster motion. Choose the best setting that matches your project. The picture-in-picture peep effect allows you to overlay a video or image on top of another video. This is useful for tutorials, reaction videos, commentary, or any situation where you want to show multiple media sources simultaneously. Here's how you can apply the peep effect in KineMaster. Import the main video, the background video that will serve as the base. To do this, tap on Media in the wheel and select your desired clip from your gallery. To overlay another video or image, tap the Layer button. Choose Media from the options that appear. This allows you to select another video or image from your gallery to act as the overlay. Once the second video or image is added, you can resize it by pinching the screen to zoom in or out. Move the layer to the desired location on the screen by dragging it. For example, if you're doing a tutorial, place the peep in the corner while your main content plays in the background. The peep layer will appear for the duration of the main clip by default, but you can adjust when the peep layer enters and exits the video. Tap on the peep clip in the timeline and drag the edges to shorten or lengthen its appearance on screen. To make your peep more dynamic, you can add animations. Tap on the peep layer and go to an animation, overall animation, or out animation to apply effects like fading in or out. You can adjust the transparency of the peep layer by selecting the layer, then adjusting the opacity slider. This can make the peep layer blend more smoothly into the main video. For additional blending modes, go to the blending option to create unique effects like multiply, overlay, soft light. If you want your PIP layer to have a specific shape like a circle or rectangle, you can use the mask tool to crop it into different shapes. This will help make the overlay more customized. After adding the PIP layer and adjusting its size, timing, and animations, preview your project to see how the effect looks in real time. In a separate video, we will cover the creation of YouTube thumbnails in more advanced detail. We will utilize all the knowledge gained from this KineMaster tutorial to craft an impressive thumbnail. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in more advanced editing tutorials, please leave a comment below. We are also planning to produce a short film incorporating everything we've learned so far in an upcoming video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to stay updated on future content and enhance your editing skills.